this video, I'll be showing you how you can do a full face makeup with only 2 brushes. I started with the Rose Paris wipes to clean off my model's face, and then I used Nivea micellar water to clean my model's pores. I moved on with Sterling Niacinamide serum to prep her face. This can also serve as a primer, but in this video I'll be using another primer. After that, I used the Huda Beauty primer all over her face, after which I sprayed with Case Beauty setting spray or fix spray. Actually, this is a fix spray to lock in all the skin prep. I allowed to dry and sprayed my beauty blender. So my foundation, I'll be using a darker and a lighter shade of foundation from Avo and HD so as to get the perfect skin blend for my model. I started applying the foundation very softly on her skin all over her face. Now this is the first brush I'll be using. I'll be using this brush to apply the blush on her cheeks, both sides. I applied a wine blush and then afterwards I applied an orange blush. This is the second beauty blender I'll be using. You notice that I also sprayed the beauty blender before I started applying the blush on it, and then I blended it all out. Notice that I used the tip, the other side of the brush. I didn't use the brush side of the brush. When I was done, I used my wipes to clean up that part. I used the same brush to apply my concealer. This is my concealer palette on her face, under her eye, and the necessary places. I picked up another beauty blender to blend out my concealer. And when it was all blended, I cleaned the brush again with the wipes, and then I sprayed the face so I can seal in all the concealer and the foundation and allow it to dry. I picked up the darker shade of the foundation to contour her face, her cheeks, and her nose area. Note that I am still using the first brush, that's one brush. Afterwards, I gently blend it all out. Then I use the beauty blender to apply my setting powder under the eye. Again, I cleaned that one brush again to apply my eyeshadow base on our eyes like this. This is a trick that I'm normally used to cut a crease. I'll just apply a little over their eyes and then ask them to open their eyes so that I can know exactly where to cut. I use this Naked eyeshadow palette to do my eyeshadow, which came out very nice. I moved on to do my eyebrow. I applied eyebrow gel with my mascara brush and I worked on the brow. The second brush I'll be using. First, I used it on my blush from the powder palette, of course, and then which I dusted off so I can use the brush to apply powder on her face as well. Yeah, so I applied the powder, and this is the difference between the powdered side and the ones with just the foundation. Now this is the trick I learned about mascara, especially for models who does not want to use lashes. So I just apply a little powder on the lashes and then I apply the mascara so that it can pop well enough. After all of that, I sprayed my fix spray to seal in all the goodness, after which I used that same brush to apply the bronzer on both cheeks, and you can see that it is actually working. And yeah, I did the lips, and so this is the final look. I hope you really love it. Please like, comment, and share. Even if you don't like it, if you don't like the makeup, please put it in the comment section and also share. Thank you for watching. Bye.